This is my friend, Leo the lion cub. Leo, can you give a big roar? Roar! Ready for the big scary roar, Leo?
Yes, I... Roar!
Whoa! It's okay, Leo. You're so cute. Let's try the roar button. Huh? A quack? Quack roar? That's so silly, Leo. A butterfly. Whoa, Leo, that was huge. Did you know, Leo? A lion's roar can be heard from 5 miles away. Wow, that's so cool. I know, right?